me.
Ang reflection lang dito sa LLR is malaki actually. Natutunan kong mahalin ang sarili ko at mahalin yung mga kagalit ko. Hindi naman total kagalit, yung mga may galit sa akin. Although na hindi ko na maalam kung sino sila. Pero as of now, LLR and Brother J, tinuruan nila ako paano mahalin yung sarili ko and then mahalin din sila. As of now, kahit hindi sila humihingi ng tulong, As of now, kahit hindi sila humihingi ng sorry sa akin, pinapatawag ko na sila.
My reflections and kung ano yung tumatak sa akin, main message is be more confident that God is with me. Siguro parang uuwi akong mas comfortable na kahit ako lang, mas nararamdaman ko na yung presence niya and I am never alone in my journey. And the message of the cross that He already carried all of those burdens, all of those pain, and lahat dinala na kay Jesus na yun. I'm lost of words how to explain it, but it's so overwhelming na talagang mas nararamdaman ko siya ngayon sa buhay ko. And mas confident ako na gumising, umuwi, na alam ko na nandyan siya with me.
Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Worthy is the King